Hey Sabir, instead of calling you, I just wanted to send you a video to thank you personally for the impact you've had on our e-commerce strategy. I have to be honest with you, when I first heard about you from, Gary V's network, and then your name actually came up again from Habib at Young Nails, I knew I was getting something special when we hired you, but I never realized how special it would be. First, just our understanding of e-commerce has been transformed as a company. Our site traffic and conversions continue to crush more than we expected, and your mentorship throughout our engagement has been so valuable. In other words, you have over-delivered in every way and every promise. And for that, my friend, I just want to say thank you.